This video is specifically for roofing companies. So what I want from you is to not share this video. Do not share this video. Watch this video alone and then implement what I'm telling you, what I'm gonna tell you, and after getting those jobs, you can share it afterwards.
Just want to show you guys that we know what we are talking about. You can see the quality of the website, the animations, everything. We know exactly what we are talking about. These are the websites we've built. These are the websites we've built, guys. As you can see, it's just a bunch of websites that we've built, and there's more. We've also done roofing and brick and mortar, which is brick and mortar. We've done this. So we've done a lot of websites. Real estate, crypto, solar, communities, info products, content marketing, whatever you can think of, e-commerce, finance, and supplements. This is an important part we should prioritize in our business. We should not only rely on our hypothesis, we must have facts. Reality is homeowners are now moving away from the traditional Google search to AI. They're using AI as their assistant. So, for example, emergency storm roof repairs in Dallas in under 5 days. This is what most homeowners are going to be searching on ChatGPT. Help me find the best roofing company specializing in the whatever you're specializing in, which is metal roofing in Dallas. So we need to dominate the AI search. So here's exactly how we're going to be doing that. Number one, understanding ChatGPT's content source. We need to understand that AI chatbots source facts from a mix of web pages, most likely being and more structured data from schema.org or third-party directories or APIs. So thing is, AI prioritizes recent and well-structured answers. Like it takes this over purely SEO optimized copy. It wants recent and well-structured answers. So we need to continuously update our information and not just rely on SEO and think job finished. Kobe Bryant said this: job finished, job not finished. So job is not finished. So number two, we are going to be optimizing our conversations. We need to optimize our chats and our content on our website for conversations. We need to mirror real user prompts. What I mean by this is your content should sound like the exact questions that a homeowner would ask and have answers. So we're going to identify common question styles people ask ChatGPT. Example, what's the best roof repair company in Dallas? This is framed as a question. So we're going to frame headings and subheadings as exact questions. How much does a new metal roof cost in Austin? We are also going to be using Q&A and FAQ sections. This is question and answer and frequently asked questions. We are going to create a frequently asked question blog with 5 to 10 questions addressing weather events, insurance claims, and maintenance. We are going to leverage the Q&A page schema to help AI crawlers extract your FAQs directly. Number 3, we are going to implement structured data and schema. Local businesses and service schema. You need to mark up your home page and service page with local business structured data, including address, phone number, service area, and opening hours. I'm pretty sure you already have this by now. So you are going to add the service schema for each roofing service. So roof repair, inspection, solar installation, whatever the case is, we're going to include it here. So we need to make sure that our FAQ is wrapped around our FAQ schema so ChatGPT can pull them directly into answers. We need to make sure that our FAQ is an FAQ schema. Something that's like the content must make sure that even if it's pulled directly from there, it answers the questions directly. So for process-driven articles, like your how-to articles, we are going to use how-to schema with step-by-step markup. We need to have you need to stand out. Don't just offer your services. Put there exactly how you're gonna do the service. How to train a dog. You need to have the full steps from A to Z on your website. How to install a new gutter, how to install a solar panel, A to Z. You need to have that on your FAQ. So number 4, you need to show authority. But wait, let me go back to this. When you tell them your exact process, you are not just giving away your potential clients. You are showing them that you know what you're talking about, and you're not even scared to give them the full step-by-step guides, because you are a professional and you trust your abilities to make it better. Even if you've told them the exact steps, in their mind they're gonna be like, wow, this guy just gave me the A to Z steps. Imagine if I paid him, what is he gonna do? He's definitely gonna do better than this. Number 4, we need to show authority and trust. We need to gather quality reviews and mentions. Encourage 5-star reviews on Google, Yelp, BBB, Yellow Page, and embed them on your site. Thing is, these AI models, they surface heavily reviewed brands. They trust brands that have reviews and that are constantly mentioned. So if you want to get mentioned, make sure that you also get mentioned in sponsorships and your local press. ChatGPT favors businesses cited in recognized local media. Since your business is going to be a local business, a local roofing company in Austin, you need to make sure that you are mentioned in local press in Austin. So it will go to the area's verified articles for more information. Your company name should be there. So you need to showcase credentials and case studies. Highlight certification. Show that you have experience. GAF, Owens Corning. And then take those badges and put them on your website. Another thing, you need to publish detailed before and after case studies tagged by location and service type. Number 5, enhance content variety and structure. You're going to use tables, bullet lists, and images. Imagine a homeowner such as, what's the best roof that I should get, a metal roof or shingles? It's gonna extract this from your page. So as this is extracted, it's gonna put your link down there. You need to also add high quality images with descriptive alt text. Alt text is, if you I don't know how to explain this, but alt text is text that describes the image. So you need to optimize heading levels. H1 and H2, like this means headings, like heading 1 and heading 2. Structure pages with a single main heading, multiple subheadings with questions, and your next headings, or maybe paragraph, it needs to have detailed answers. So keep paragraphs short, 2 to 3 sentences, and include the question again in the first sentence of each answer. You're going to repeat the question in the same paragraph. Each paragraph needs to have that question. So I think I confused you here, but let me explain again. You need to make sure that each paragraph, it is short, and it includes the question again in the first sentence of each answer. Before you answer that question, have the question. We are writing this question multiple times on our page so that ChatGPT doesn't miss our website. If it missed the first one, it's definitely gonna get the second one. So number 6, we are going to leverage technical SEO and performance. We need to make sure that our page load faster, and it loads in less than 2 seconds, because ChatGPT's Bing index flags slow pages. If your page is slow, then you're not gonna get recommended. So we need to use responsive design and lazy load images for faster rendering. Submit your sitemap to Bing. We need to submit our information to Bing. ChatGPT's knowledge often uses Bing's index. So we're going to monitor crawl errors and page performance via Bing Webmaster. This is exactly how you're gonna rank higher on AI search models, search engines. So here is the document. You're gonna find this document in the description. It's gonna help you with. Let's start here. It's gonna help you track your competitors' ads. So you're gonna have the top three performing ads right here. The common offers that they have, their call to action, which is frequently used. So in here, it's gonna be a table. You're gonna enter your competitor's name, the platform where you saw the ad. As you can see, you can choose, and then here you're gonna put the screenshot of the ad that you just saw, the headline, the offer that they had, the call to action which they had. It's either book a free inspection, call now, get a code, learn more, shop now, sign up, download, watch more, and whatever it is. Let's just do this. So you're gonna also add that what type of ad you saw. Was it a video? Was it the carousel? Was it text? Was it image? All that. Then the hook angle, the type of hook they used, and then the theme, which is maybe they used their pricing, which is their discounts, or they used agency, maybe storms are approaching, or they have their testimonials, the ad date, the comments, and then you're gonna get this is gonna give you the ad score. It's gonna calculate it automatically and tell you whether the ad is most likely to perform high or not. So here you're just gonna choose whether you want to remodel this website, whether it's worth remodeling for you, and then here is your hook and angle swipe bank. You're gonna add everything here. Your offer analysis, add everything here. Your action steps, which is your action plan, what you want to do from now on. Inside the action step that you want to do, assign it to who you want to get this done. The priority level, high, medium, low, the due date. Was the service was this completed? Yes. So yeah, I don't know what to say anymore, but if you want all these, just let me know. I'll send them to you and you'll definitely get more jobs.